Want to know how to do a privacy checkup to find out account risks on WhatsApp on your iPhone? By doing this, you can ensure your account is secure or protected from potential threats. In this advanced video, I'll guide you on how to check your privacy settings and secure your account. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the settings icon from below. Now tap Privacy. Scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap Privacy Checkup. From here, you can control your privacy settings. Here you will get 4 options. Tap on the first option called Choose Who Can Contact You. From here, you can control your privacy. You can choose who can contact you and who can stop unwanted calls or messages. Now go back. Tap on the second option called Control Your Personal Info. From here, you can choose the best audience for your personal info, like online status and activity. Now go back and tap on the third option called Add More Privacy to Your Chats. From here, you can limit access to your message and media with these privacy features. Go back again. Tap on the last one called Add more protection to your account. From here, you can protect your account by adding an extra layer of security. So folks, this is how you can do a privacy checkup to find account risks on WhatsApp on your iPhone. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then give us a like, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.